Chapter 3.
Measurements. Learning objectives: length, weight, time, volume, temperature. Every day we need to measure one thing or the other. For example, when you go to the market, you would like to know how much clothes you need for your dress, or you would like to know how far your house is from the school. Measurements have become an essential part of our life. We need to measure length, distance, weight, temperature, time and many more things. There are instruments for measuring each of these. Earlier there were some non-standard units used to measure. These units are not reliable. For measurement things, we use some standard units of measure. Let us learn how to use them. Length is measured in meters. We use a ruler, a meter, rod or a measuring tape to measure length. The meter, rod or scale is divided into 100 equal division called centimeters. Each centimeter is divided into 10 small division called millimeters. The ruler measures length in centimeters and millimeters. A measuring tape measures length in meters and centimeters. Very long distance are measured in kilometers. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meters. Weight. Weight is measured in grams and kilograms. We use a balance or a weighing machine to measure weight. There are different kinds of balance. We put the thing to be weighed in one pan and balance it with weight on the other pan. We weigh ourselves with the help of weighing machine. Smaller weights are measured in milligrams and grams. Gold is measured in milligrams and grams. Larger weights are measured in kilograms. 1000 grams equal to 1 kilogram, 1000 milligrams equal to 1 gram. Time. In ancient time, people used sand, clock, water clock, etc. to measure time. Today, we use a watch or clock to measure time. Time is measured in seconds, minutes and hours. 60 seconds equal to 1 minute, 60 minutes equal to 1 hour, 24 hours equal to 1 day. The face of the watch or clock is divided into 12 parts, each showing 1 hour. The clock has 3 hands, the hour hand, minute hand and the second hand. Volume. Liquids like water, milk and medicine are measured by volume. Volume is measured in liter and millimeters. 1000 millimeters is equal to 1 liter. The milk bottles are of 1/2 and 1 liter volume. We use special jars marked in milliliters and liters to measure volume. The liquid is poured into the jars and the volume is read from the mark. For measuring the volume of a liquid, different kind of measuring vessels are used. Temperature. We measure the temperature of things with the help of a thermometer. A room thermometer measures the temperature from 0 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius. Clinical thermometer measure our body temperature from 34 degrees Celsius to 44 degrees Celsius. Our normal body temperature is 37 degrees Celsius. If the thermometer shows a higher temperature, it means that we have fever. Symbols used for measurement. Keywords: volume, the amount of space taken by a substance. Temperature, the condition of heat or cold of a body or an area. Looking back, we measure small distances in meters and centimeters. We measure long distances in kilometers. We measure weights in kilograms and grams. We measure time in hours, minutes and seconds. We measure temperature in degrees. We measure volume in liters and millimeters.
Put a tick on the